I am Father Derick Fernandes, the Parish Bishop of St. John the Baptist Church, Pilerne. And this year we have the crib which is designed on the pastoral life in the parish. So we have divided into 5 parts and 5 wards have done this crib. So this is the first part is the betrothal. So here what happens, we see here the engagement between Joseph and Mary. And engagement symbolizes devotion, commitment. It's like 2 families come together, and it also means commitment. You have to live together. So same thing happens in the parish when small Christian communities, people come as families, then they meet together, and there is commitment there. So we see there are benefits of small Christian communities. It brings people together, strengthens relationship, so better decisions, organized well, so socially responsible. All these take place in a small Christian community. So we have portrayed the life in a parish in small Christian communities. The second scene is Annunciation. Annunciation, the angel Gabriel announces to Mother Mary about her, I would say, about her call of being the Mother of God. So this life we have taken in the parish, where there are so many associations we have seen here. So each parishioner is supposed to, it's a call for him to take part in the association, to be a member of any association, be youth, catechist, then so many, St. Vincent de Paul, Legion of Mary. So they are called to take part, be a member, and that's their calling, to carry on the work of Christ. So that's the second part we have done. And the third part is Visitation. We see our Mother Mary and her cousin Elizabeth, both of them visiting each other, both of them visiting, Mother Mary visiting her cousin Elizabeth. And we know what happened when Mother Mary visited Elizabeth. The child in her womb leapt for joy. That's John the Baptist. So when we visit people, a lot of good things come. It is beneficial for both the one who visits and also for the other part. So that's what we see in the parish when we visit, and also when we visit other faith people of other faith. A lot of goodwill and friendship, and also a lot of understanding, and it creates unity and friendship. And the fourth scene is searching for an inn. We see Joseph and Mary, they're looking for a place in an inn, but they don't have time, or they don't have a place. So what could be some of the reasons? Now today people are so busy in their own life, they don't have time for parish activities. So what can be some of the reasons? We have mentioned the reasons: household chores, cooking, tuitions, social media, and maybe many things are there, like we have seen their indifference, why should I bother, resistance to change, criticism, so church, all the lack of interest. And these are some of the social evil which is there, which are in every parish: money for greed, greed, then land filling, jealousy. So these are some of the reasons what prevent oneself from joining the doing some good work in the church. And this is the main theme, the main crib of ours, with the theme "Come, be transformed." So we see there are 2 types of people. One who are self-centered. Today, basically all of us, we are self-centered. But so when one is self-centered, what happens? He's selfish, he's indifferent, anxious, overprotective, conscious, react to situations. But when he comes in touch, encounters the living Christ, he becomes God-centered. So that's what we have shown. He becomes more compassionate and kind, charitable. He is always there for people, depends on God's providence, peaceful, and responds to situations. So this is the 2 people. When they come in contact with Jesus, they are transformed. So this should be the aim of every one of us: encounter Jesus to transform. As we have just stepped into the new year 2024, the message I want to give is, when you give yourself to God, God sees that you are transformed. It's that many people today, they are involved in so many things, but except when it comes to God, they have so many reasons. So do your bit for God, and God will see that you are blessed abundantly. So this is a message that I want to give for this new year, and working hand in hand with everyone, not just I'm doing my bit for the church as an individual, but as a community together, walking hand in hand. That's a spirit of synodality that we spoke about in the last synod that was held in Rome. So once again, give your time for God, but work in also collaboration with each other.